No. The BJP should not turn out this matter like this. This is not correct way of doing it. The Hari Prasad, who is the senior leader of the Congress party, was trying to demand and make a request to the chief, with the Rajyapal, with the governor, saying that there is a purpose of you coming to the joint session, and you got to do your duties properly, and you were supposed to address the joint session as such. Instead of executing your duties, you just going away without even having patience to wait for a national anthem. This is not at all acceptable. The mistake is done by the BJP nominated governor, and which should be questioned by the legislators, in matter of the political parties as such. Instead of correcting the mistake made by the governor, and instead of correcting the mistake made by unconstitutional act of a governor, why are they blaming Congress MLCs, and why are they blaming Congress leaders? Which is not at all correct as such. What action should be taken against the governor to be removed immediately? Karnataka doesn't need a governor who doesn't respect the Constitution of India.
Now, South Indian states are saying that we need to discuss this issue. M.K. Stalin said,
this is not only South Indian issue; it is the India's matter. The Constitution is priority to anybody else, anything else, and anybody else. For us, political agenda is not the matter. It's a matter of the Constitution, and the Constitution norms to be followed by every citizen of the country. Government is not an exemption from this kind of activities.